Hi Keystone Nation, I'm Tim Price, District Sales Manager here with the Sprinter Division.
Hey, and I'm Kane Thomas. I'm also District Sales Manager with Keystone Sprinter, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new Sprinter 3900 DBL. Tim, what's your favorite thing about this unit?
Probably my favorite is I like to throw a lot of shade at our competition, and boy do we have it set up for you. With 3 full awnings and over 30 feet of space, we're going to throw some serious shade at the competition. Something else you'll notice on the 3900 as well as all your Sprinters that are going to be coming to your lot soon is a redesigned front cap that we have.
One thing we looked at with Sprinter is if you look at your 4 top truck colors, it's going to be black, white, silver, and gray. In Sprinter, we've done a phenomenal job with making sure we go ahead and match up those 4 top truck colors for you.
What's your favorite thing on the outside, Kane?
Actually, one of my favorite things is the outdoor kitchen. What's awesome about this outdoor kitchen here is we got a nice big griddle here for you where you can go ahead and throw some bacon on there, eggs, or in the dinner time, you can go and throw a steak on there. We got a refrigerator here for lots of soda pop. And that's my favorite part about the exterior of the Sprinter.
Some of the other things customers are going to appreciate is the fact that we have 4-point electric auto leveling on this. You also do have the option up on the roof for a Solar Flex 400, including 2 lithium-ion batteries. All right guys, now you can follow us on the inside and check out all the amazing features inside the coach. Follow us.
All right guys, one of the new features we have at Sprinter is we've gone with Furrion appliances. So not only are we giving you a 30-inch convection microwave, we're also giving you a 21-inch stove with a stainless steel pots and pans drawer down here. And on top of that, we're giving you a 16 cubic foot 12-volt reefer. With your lithium batteries, you can go ahead and run your refrigerator right off those.
It's a lot of storage space. And speaking of storage space, one of the things you're going to appreciate about this redesigned floor plan is all the storage that you'll have not only in your island with 4 drawers and also a drawer on the side of the island, but if you travel around with me, you're going to notice not only would they give you a pantry, but you have storage up top as well. You've got storage over here, dedicated coffee bar spot, more storage down here with a dedicated trash bin location as well. You'll also notice our beautiful new pendant lighting that we've put in the coach, and you'll also have more storage to the back of the coach, which we'll point out soon. Now we're going to offer you 2 options in this slide box. You're going to see a 4-seat freestanding dinette with a theater seat, which also has a charging station for your phone. The other option we're going to give you is a 135-inch super sofa in this slide, so you can really stretch out with all your friends and family and watch TV.
Tim, you know one of my favorite things about the Sprinter slide boxes is the largest windows in the industry that we have behind here. They're called Clear Vision. They have full functional usage. You can slide them back and forth, and they're tinted as well.
That is a great feature. Now I mentioned storage earlier, so what you're going to notice is even more storage back here before you go into the bunk room. This unit actually offers you 56.8 cubic feet of storage in your main dining area, which is unheard of in the industry. But now let's go back into the bunk room and check that out. Okay folks, coming into the bunk room, we talked about storage. We're going to give you 10.6 more cubic feet of storage space back here. One of the really unique storage spots that we built in is this behind the TV storage. Tons of space and room for blankets, puzzles, games, whatever you have. And trust me, you're going to be able to sleep plenty of people here, right Kane?
Absolutely, Tim. I mean, I'm 6'1" and I fit up here perfectly. But on top of this loft, we got 1 space up here for another adult or child. And then we got 2 places right behind you there where we can go ahead and sleep 2 more people.
One of the great features you'll appreciate back here also is this is the first coach we've had with the 3rd AC option. So your kids, adults, whoever's going to be back here are going to be cold just like you guys are in the rest of the coach. One of the things you'll really appreciate is the 2nd full bath we've put in this coach. You'll have a nice size shower for anybody that's sleeping back in the back of the coach. Also, you'll have your sink, toilet, storage space. But one of the features that we really added here is this window for ventilation into the back of the coach as well. So you'll be able to talk to your friends outside even.
Tim.
Hey Kane.
How you doing?
Good. Now that we've seen the back of the coach, we're going to take you up to your master suite so that way you can see what you get to enjoy on your camping trip. Follow me. Now that we're in the master suite, you're going to notice and appreciate the fact that we have a king bed slide, which my friend Kane's already showing you how comfortable it is.
Unbelievably comfortable. And the nice thing about it is I've got windows on both sides for cross ventilation. Got a nice little shelf here for my CPAP machine or my cell phone.
You'll really appreciate all the headroom that we have up here because you have 6'5" headroom space. A couple points that we've did that redesigned our front is a redesigned closet with shoe storage and tons of hanging space. But the really big feature is you have the option for a washer dryer on board from the factory.
And Tim, all that is made possible because we are a 100-inch wide body.
Amazing. So when we walk into the master bathroom, you're gonna notice a dual vanity master with a mirror for each person, drawers and storage space for each person. And you also have a really large stand-up tiled shower. All right, Kane, now that we've shown everyone this beautiful new 3900 DBL, what do you think?
I'll tell you what, Tim, between the 3 awnings out there, the second full bath, the second entry, the third AC in the back, the giant loft area, the big old 12-foot reefer, I mean, I could go on and on and on. But I will tell you, I love this motion light right here. It just really brightens everything up.
I don't know if you know this, but it's exclusive to Sprinter.
I did not know that.
So we're trying to think about new ways to add safety for you, because at nighttime we've had some complaints about it being dark when you're coming down the steps and stuff. So this is actually a motion activated LED light.
Bonus. Hey guys, for more information on a 3900 DBL Sprinter or the other Sprinter Limited series, you can go to KeystoneRV.com and check out 360 videos.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new Keystone and Sprinter content. Wrap it.